So we went ahead with the engagement, and we didn't tell anybody that I had lost the job or the company's getting dissolved. And we had a friend help out. He helped out with his credit card. He said, use it, open your business, best of luck. And we swiped this card. We took, I think, so roughly 20,000 dirhams for the licensing and the office and everything. And we started. We had a client on board from my job previous to that. It was a really, really, good experience. I still remember she sent a photo of the check to her brother, and said, "It is have that."
Wow, that's incredible because the risk taking is something that differentiates a normal person going to work and an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
Even if I have business ideas, I want to do a lot of things, but I don't have the risk taking in me
Correct.
that can take me to the next level. But I'm glad that became a business and a restaurant as well at the end, which we really enjoy for the weekends for sure.
Thank you.
So how did the name come up for the Bhukkar Cafe?
So right from the beginning when we were building the brand, we knew that we wanted to build a nice big franchise brand that would have, 50, 100 outlets eventually. And that's why the selection of the name was very, very important. We wanted to keep the name very casual, funny, sarcastic, but at the same time, it should be like a conversation starter between people. So obviously Indians understand that, but now that we are in mall locations, we have a lot of Emirati customers. They would always come up to us and ask, what does this Bhukkar Cafe mean? So it's our pleasure, it's our utmost pleasure to explain to them that Bhuk in Hindi is somebody who's hungry and Bhukkar is somebody who's always hungry. And the connotation behind this is also about the fact that we're not hungry for food, but we are hungry for new experiences. We are hungry for learning new things so that the learning experience should never stop.
That's a great insight. If suppose you could name your cafe to something else, what would you call it?
Nah, I don't think so. I would change it. Although we do come up with like different ideas and concepts for doing spin-offs, and expanding the brand via different spin-off concepts of the Bhukkar Cafe. This is probably the first time we're speaking about this, but we've we come up with nice and unique names, and you'll probably see us roll these out down the line. But yes, yeah. Can't reveal it right now. Top secret. Yeah.
But what are you saying that there is this factor which makes Bhukkar Cafe unique?
So I think it's our authenticity. We always tried to stay very true to Indian street food. I've seen a lot of Indian brands try to do Indian food and they would just have, butter chicken and dal makhni and naan on their menu. But that is not the representation of India. India is split into so many states. India is split into countless number of streets and nukkars, right? So we tried to capture the essence of Indian street food and bring it.